Hello guys, in this video we are going to be looking at the idea of infinity, and if you can recall in my previous video on limit I said infinity is equal to zero, and this is why I said so. First we need to know that infinity is actually a concept, is an abstract idea, it's not a number. And so if you keep counting numbers to higher digits, you can actually approach infinity, but you can never reach infinity because there are still digits to add to, or that you can still count. So, and the division of real numbers is defined, or rather division is defined for real numbers as long as the denominator is not zero. And since infinity is not a real number, 1 divided by infinity is not defined. And one good example of infinity is actually pi, which is approximated to 3.14. Now, this symbol is used by mathematicians because it is highly impossible to write the infinite number of digits of pi. And so this is an approximation for pi. And one thing about infinity, because I said it is not a number, one thing about infinity is that it cannot be measured. And the idea of reality is all about measurement. And if we cannot measure something, we can say that thing does not exist. It's zero. It's not it's not proper to think of it. And we can see from this, for example, if you say 1 over 10, you get 0.1. 1 divided by 100, you get 0.01. 1 divided by 1000, you get this. 1 divided by 10,000, you get 0.0001. 1 divided by 100,000, you get this. And from this, you can see where the idea is going. That if I keep adding zero, we keep increasing, the number keep getting very little. And to wrap it all we can say that this is equal to is zero. Now, imagine adding zeros to this 100,000 here, increasing it to millions and billions and trillions. You end up approximating it to zero. So, what of a large number as infinity? Rather, sorry, not a number, a large concept as infinity. Dividing 1 by something as large as infinity, something you cannot really define. So we just say it is undefined or is zero. And in mathematics, we just use zero, or we can say it's undefined. And that is why I said infinity is equal to zero.